you just grab the water.
She'll learn yours if she gets cold.
Yeah. Let's bring it just in case one of you start feeling burned. Hannah, what are we doing?
How's it really great?
Hannah, what are we doing? Hannah, what are we doing?
I'm putting on sunscreen. What are you doing?
Hannah, what are we doing?
I'm putting on sunscreen.
For what?
We're going fishing.
Why can't you say that?
Going fishing.
Alright, let's boogie. We gotta go. Now I'm ready to say
Why are you going out that door? That door's not as fancy.
What?
I said that door's not as fancy.
I'm just a plain guy.
Oh. I'd jump right in if I wasn't such a good whistler myself.
Hey! Slow.
Hey, you wanna hold it?
Yeah, but does it mean?
Ask him how to hold it.
You gotta unlock it. Swipe up.
That is yours.
25. 81. Hit
Yeah,
the
like it. There's a sink.
Stay down there? Okay.
And you want to hold its guts?
You do?
No.
You do? He's like, you sure about that?
The only thing you can do to that, as far as
Mom.
Did you change your shirt?
No, I just got my long sleeve.
Yeah.
Pop culture.
Do I need to run in with you, Mom, to grab it?
You have, did you read paper?
Yeah.
Do I need to rub in? Is it a lot of food or? Okay. Yeah.
It's on recording.
Yes, it is. I turned it on. I turned it on. Ooh, shrimp basket, round 2.
We're ready. Hey, this is where you saw all the fish tank. Wait, we need to remake that photo of Hannah through the fish tank. Remember that years ago? Hannah, you remember that?
Does anyone have Joe? Not yet.
No.
They don't have our shirt anymore.
No, that one's mine.
No, we have our long sleeve, remember?
No?
Yes.
I have that one.
Yeah, we both have that one in long sleeve.
No, mine's not long sleeve.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Dude, you don't know.
Yeah, I know everything.
Number 3 night in a row of eating out.